Restoring hydration. Cymbiotics science-backed solution. Dry skin isn't just a surface-level concern. It's a result of structural and functional impairments in the skin barrier. When moisture loss exceeds retention, the skin becomes dry, irritated, and more vulnerable. One key factor is epidermal water loss, TEWL, where water escapes faster than the skin can retain it. Environmental stressors, genetics, and hormonal imbalances further disrupt hydration, slowing down skin cell renewal and leading to flakiness, rough patches, and dullness. When properly hydrated, the skin's renewal cycle functions efficiently, allowing fresh, healthy cells to reach the surface. But when dryness interferes, dead cells accumulate, making the skin appear rough and uneven. Cymbiotics Biopharma has developed a scientifically advanced topical formulation designed to restore hydration, repair the skin barrier, and support the natural renewal process. This formulation is enriched with allantoin, which soothes and repairs dry, irritated skin; glycerin, a powerful humectant that locks in moisture; oat beta-glucan and oat extract, which calm inflammation and strengthen the barrier; soy protein and vitamin E for hydration and antioxidant protection. To maximize effectiveness, Cymbiotics employs fast-acting dermal delivery (FDD) technology, an advanced system that enhances ingredient penetration, ensuring moisture reaches the deeper layers of the skin for faster, longer-lasting relief. This innovation is available as Epilyno, marketed by Sun Pharma, offering a proven solution for repairing and hydrating dry, compromised skin. Stay tuned as we explore more of Cymbiotics Biopharma's formulations.